Hello?
Hello, can I speak with Mr. Reed, please?
Hello?
Hello, can I speak to Mr. Reed, please?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello? Can I interest you in the latest car insurance deals?
No, I'm sorry, we're not interested. Thank
Or
you.
what about the new carpet tax?
No, not either.
Oh. What about some potato?
No, I'm sorry. No, thank you. Goodbye.
Some potato? Oh. Why not? Bye.